Hey guys, so just heading out. Really nice sunny day, so I really don't want to sit at the screens too long. Got big news later. So nice day in London town today. Just thought I'd head out. Oops. Some guy cutting his hedges, so we'll head the other way. It's a bit noisy, but yeah, I thought I'd just head out for some fresh air and really, you know, the freedom that day trading, when you can day trade, gives you. You know, it's a Tuesday, 9:45. My old life, I'd be, you know, I'd be in meetings, probably meetings I didn't want to be in, meetings for meetings' sake, and now I get to walk around the corner because it's a nice sunny day in my flip-flops. Yep, in my Havaianas and my shorts. Sorry for the white feet. And yeah, just go out and enjoy the beautiful sun. I mean, what could be better? Made £1,000 this morning. Got some trades running at about 500 odd quid, I think. Let's have a little look at them. And yeah, we're running at about 500 quid there, just in profit. Still working really nicely. So you know, I'm risk off as well. Sun is shining. It's just a good excuse to go and get some fresh air and pick up a coffee. And yeah, life is good really. And this is the life of a day trader. Could be in a white van like those guys who have to play music just to dull the boredom, or I could be having lots of freedom and having a stroll because I've made 1,500 quid this morning. So yeah, happy days. Feed you later.